We're getting in some breaking news that the Trinamool Congress, in all likelihood, will not be attending House on the 1st of February, which is the budget day. The Trinamool Congress will not be attending the all-party meeting in the afternoon as well in the national capital, and is also expected with the meeting called by the Speaker later in the day. Mamata Banerjee had earlier tweeted that there should be a holiday on the 1st of February because it happens to be Saraswati Puja, and has also announced that it's going to be a state holiday in the state of West Bengal, and Saraswati Puja is of immense significance for the people of West Bengal. The party is meeting in the afternoon to decide the next plan of action. The meeting will decide on whether the party will be attending the session on the 1st of February or would boycott it. Manogya Lohewal joins us with the very latest. Manogya, this was unexpected lines, isn't it? The Chief Minister had earlier even questioned the February 1st date for budget, and she in fact has been at the forefront of the entire demonetization agitation as well.
Well, Avantika absolutely rightly pointed it out. What you've said is that she has been at the helm of affairs of the entire protest that has been going on across the country. The most vocal voice, you could call it, but this time, of course, the most vocal voice has the leader, the chief parliamentary leader, who was Sudhir Bandyopadhyay, is presently in CBI custody. So there is one reason for them to protest it, and the second reason is that Mamata Banerjee has been protesting against the demonetization drive of the central government, and that's the reason why they found one another reason for not attending the budget session, especially on the budget day. Now all the TMC MPs are meeting in Kalighat in Trinamool Congress chief's residence, and that would give you an idea on, of course, what would be priority for TMC MPs. They have to appease their chief and attend the meeting today, and the instructions are extremely clear not to attend any all-party meeting. That means an all-out boycott is on the strategy, as on the cards of Trinamool Congress in this budget session, and you could hear a few more vocal protests in Delhi too.
Absolutely, Manogya. I'll come back to you in just a bit, but for now, thanks so much.